A fast-moving wildfire in July of 2024, the Larch Creek Fire, tore into the area around Tygh Valley, ultimately burning more than 18,000 acres of brush, trees, and fields. Damage to the landscape can take years to heal, but a year later, there's help.
So in this particular thing is about 12 different seeds.
Reseeding with native grasses and plants on ranch lands in the burn area.
I've been in aviation for well over 50 years.
Mike Davis is a multi-skilled pilot with a PhD in aeronautical engineering.
It's just part of my life. It's what I do.
And these days, his big focus is drones that are getting the job done in ways you may not realize. The reseeding here is done with a 55-pound drone that can hold at least that much in seed.
Aircraft preparing to take off. Stand back at a safe distance.
An unmanned aircraft doing serious business. Davis first flies a different drone to determine the area to reseed, then uses GPS technology to deliver the seed exactly where it's needed.
It's a tool for trade, so it's not only done in agriculture, but it's in construction, in survey, engineering. We see drones everywhere now.
Davis says the program here is a collaboration between ODF&W and ranchers in the area to get these lands ready again for grazing. Davis is a professor at Columbia Gorge Community College, where they've developed a precision agriculture program. And yes, it relies heavily on the use of commercial drones to do work that was previously done by hand or airplane, like you see in this fruit orchard.
It just makes it quicker, better, and it makes a better return on investment.
Back around Tygh Valley, it's a battery change and a refill of native seed. That job is performed by the director of marketing for the college, who enjoys taking it on.
I've got it down to under 3 minutes. That's kind of a new record for me today. And so just like plop that in, fill it back up, turn it back on, and we're up in the air again.
No time to waste on a cool and breezy fall day. Putting down seed that will settle in for winter and starting next spring, sprout and grow, giving these grasslands new life.
Yeah, it's dumping seed like crazy.
Yeah, that's like you said, I can see it from here.
All thanks to technology and modern flying machines.
You get the results. And the result is that it's cost effective and we're doing a good job and we're not even stomping on the soil.
I know this has a lot of value utility-wise and everything else, but is it also kind of fun?
Oh, it's fun. It really is.
Fun and effective here and in many parts of the Pacific Northwest.
Simple as that. It's easy.
Yeah, so many applications for these drones and also a growing career path. We mentioned that precision agriculture program at Columbia Gorge Community College, Oregon State University, collaborating with them on that, and they hope to be ready to accept students next fall. Guys, back to you.
Yeah, can't argue with a bigger return on investment or a little bit of fun. Thanks, Tim.